So let's say I wanted to put this number 429 in the smallest possible interval. So that means I need the biggest number below it and the smallest number above it that I can make from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and I can only use those once. So let's see, underneath 429, I can start with a 4, so 400 underneath it. And I can't reuse that 4, so the smallest number above that would have to start with a 5. So far I've used 4 and 5. And I totally made up that 429. Doesn't really mean anything. I'm just giving you an example. So for those square root problems, find out what that square root is. So let's see, underneath 429, the closest number I could get to would probably be 426. So I can't use the 2, and I can't use the 6. So above the 429, the smallest number I want to put in there is 513. So I've kind of sandwiched that 429 between two n numbers, the smallest or biggest small number and the smallest big number that I can make out of the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That would put 429 in between those. If I was looking at something like the square root of 6, I would do the same thing. Figure that out on your calculator, and then put those numbers in between, or put square root of 6 in between a small number to 2 decimal places and a bigger number also to do 2 decimal places, and we can only use the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 once. Hope that helps.